Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and we're huge Mario fans. We're so excited the movie's coming out, and to celebrate, we got this awesome 86-piece set. You get slap bracelets and 50 different stickers. These bracelets are so fun. There's 12 different prints, and you get 3 of each print. The colors are bright and vibrant. I was really impressed even with the one that has the smallest detail. The lines are very crisp and clear. There's no bleed from the ink. I know you remember slap bracelets from when you were a kid. They're so fun. The kids love these. They have a blast. Lots of different stickers to choose from. They definitely added a fun element to our celebration of going out and seeing the Mario movie. So whatever you want to celebrate, I'm sure your Mario lovers are going to enjoy these as well. And that's my point of view.